Hi guys, welcome to Operation Crypto and this weekly update on Polkadot. We're going to take a look at some key levels where we could potentially invest and what we think is going to happen with the price over the short to mid term, and then have a look at a few key levels of resistance on the way up if we are wanting to take profit or accumulate. If you're new to this channel, then please make sure that you are subscribed, hit that like button, and let's crack on. So welcome, this video is in partnership with Cointelegraph Markets Pro. If you are wanting to get one step ahead of the game, then go and check their platform out. You'll find a review on the platform itself. If you search Cointelegraph Markets Pro review, you will find a talkthrough of the platform. Again, all the links for that are in the pinned comment and the description of this video. So Polkadot. Well, I don't think we've covered it since. I mean, when was we? 20th of August. Last time we did spike up there at $29.41 and we got a rejection. And I think I did a video around then because that's when the Fibonacci is set up from. I was looking at potential buys within this red box here. I was looking anywhere from this region here at 23.32, which was here. We got double bottom on those two wicks there, daily candles, and we had a pop to upside. And this green band here is a level of resistance. This area is where I think the price will come down to. So currently what we've done is tested this moving average 50, and I think there's 20, and there's a good chance that we do come down and test this moving average 50 with a potential drop down to $17. I mean, you might think not a chance, Andy, the only way is up, but I've mentioned this throughout all my videos. September, quite a bearish month. Only a big if that did happen, then there's a good chance we could come down to do that golden ratio retracement to $17.73. Currently, if you're looking for any type of patterns to form out, we are downtrending now on the daily time frame with this level here as support through. So I mean, if you're looking at that, that's the support line, that's the trend line, and at some point a decision is going to be made whether break to the upside or break to the downside. In my opinion, I think there's a good chance that we do break to this side here, or even test this region here at 17.73 and then make a steady progress, bang, straight back up. Because like I say, until September proves me wrong, I'm still in the opinion that we will see a bit of a bearish period. Hopefully, I would rather see a break to the upside. I mean, let's just cover a buy. So if you're looking for buys, I would ladder some down from $23 down to $17. 3 to 4 orders within that range, get a nice average for them. If you get the lower level down here at 17.73 picks up, happy days. Remember, we've got support down at $14 too, but I mean, we may start looking at that level if we do get a bit of a sell-off, but let's wait and see what goes on in terms of price. Just looking at a move, the money flow indicator here on the Fu Manchu, that's in positive territory, but it's potentially coming to a bit of an end here. If that does come to an end and we go into a bit of a negative trading for a few weeks, you might see some nice prices and some nice buy orders filled. But that's a bearish scenario, orders within that range. If we do actually come down here, use that as support, and then we break through this, a retest of that trend line, and then push on. A couple of areas we need to look at targeting. So we need to flip $26 back to support. If we do flip that back to support, then you're going to look at these next levels here. So we've got this negative 2.7 level at $34 is the first major area, and you could say that $30 is probably the first major one to break. Once you break above that, you got $34, and then a huge weekly level of resistance at $41. But within this range here, we've had not much trading. That's the entire amount of trading we have had at that price. So I mean, if you're looking at there, it's just a nice hole that we need to pierce through before we do make that next push to the upside. But I think once we do push to the upside of that, and then we do actually come back and then first target there at $50, once we break that level and flip that to support, I don't think we'll ever come back down there again, to be honest. I think once we get above there, the markets will be in full swing, and you could bang some crazy price predictions on this, and I think we'll all be hit, because I think this project, once power chains come out, is going to be flying high. So a couple of scenarios there, bearish and bullish. I'm more in favour of a bearish scenario and coming down to test these regions down here. So if that's your buy zones, ladder down within there, and then sell zones. If you're looking to accumulate, $34, $41, and then the first major target of $50 there. Taking a look at the let's just have a look at the Valkyrie indicator, see what's going on here. So this is .USDT, this is daily time frame. just having a zoom in, so all these red levels down here are support, and if you're looking at this purple band, this is a purple support band as well. So I mean, there's always a possibility we come down and test those. If we just get rid of that because it's doing my head in, there we go. So this money flow, it's not the money flow, the support could keep coming up. If this does keep coming up, I think we're going to come down and test this region. That's at around $20. We're currently at 25. Then we've got these areas here. Look at this $17 area. That's bang on that Fibonacci level that I'm talking about as well. This area here is where we've got sell signals. So this is RSI overbought signals. For me, that has played out to a T because we've hit them signals and now our price has started to deteriorate. If you're looking at the bottom here, we had some green buy signals because it was oversold and we pushed the upside. We've had a few waves on the way up, but they'd have been shorter time frame sells. But I think this time frame is going to bring us down to retest this region, potentially down at around $17, which if you go back to the this chart here, that's bang on that 618 level there. If you wanted to check out this indicator or wanting to get daily alerts in terms of trading analysis and trading calls, 14 traders on the Discord channel for Valkyrie traders. The link for that is in the description of this video. Also, if you wanted to purchase an indicator, you can also go ahead and check that out on their platform. So that's that pretty much covered. Just want to finish off by taking a look at the Polkadot BTC pair. Currently looking at this entire move, so we did get that push up above that 50, retraced, hit that, look at that couldn't have worked out any better. So we broke above the moving average 50, come back down and tested a 20, and now we're using this 20 as support. We've closely, well, pretty much near enough, done a 61% retracement there. We had a double bottom and it's popped to the upside. If you're looking for buys, what I would do is place a few cheeky orders from this region here, around the 618 level, down towards these bottom of those wicks. So if you look at all these wicks here and all these wicks here, that's all within that trading area. If you just bring it all the way across, shows quite an important level there. So if we come down, if you're looking for buys, I would target them from 5,000 satoshis all the way down to 4,600 sats, and I think that could be a decent level for you potentially to pick some orders up in terms of sats. I know a lot of people don't trade in satoshis, but if you're wanting to build your bags of Bitcoin, the best way is to trade altcoins against BTC. So if you're looking for buys, that zone down there. If you're looking for sells, a couple of key levels, I'm just going to look at the negative fib level. So you've got 6,477 satoshis, then you've got 7,000 satoshis up there. That will be a key level. If you look all the way through, it's a, let's mark it up actually, horizontal array. If you look at region, rejection, 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 rejection all the way through. So 7,000 satoshis. It's a mammoth level that to break through. But the BTC pairs, I'm still a little bit indecisive. At some stage, once BTC has done what it needs to do, I think if that does regain some market dominance, because looking at BTC dominance here, 43%, I'm still expecting a move like this. BTC to regain some dominance at 52% and then come crashing down after that. But let's wait and see. Let's see what goes on. So that's going to do it for today's video. I mean, that was just some basic analysis on Polkadot in both the USDT and the BTC pairings. And hopefully we can get some orders filled down here. Imagine getting another Polkadot sub 20 bucks. I think that is the aim. If you feel like you missed this entire move, wait your horses, because I think there's a good chance that we do come down and retest this price down here. And getting Polkadot under $20 could be an absolute steal of an investment. That's going to do it for today. If you're new to this channel, then please make sure that you are subscribed. Hit that like button, and I'll catch you next time.